Last but not least, we need to look at optimizing. Optimizing everything from our content creation right the way through to optimizing our content channels. A lot of people don't enjoy optimizing. They don't enjoy measuring the results. Even myself, I thought it was very mathy. However, there is a wealth of information that you can gain from optimizing everything. So we're going to look at the key metrics to track. I'm going to help you analyze the data. And then finally, we're going to look at how we are going to optimize our content further. A good question, why do we want to measure our content's performance? First of all, engagement. Engagement is everything. We want to track our social engagement, our website traffic, and our email engagement, just to mention a few. We also want to know our audience, that we want to know what keeps them coming back for more. And then also measuring the success of any content creation campaign is a reward within itself. Tracking your metrics helps you to realize what works and what doesn't work, what you could do better, and where you possibly couldn't improve upon anything, even if you tried. From a business perspective, we want to measure those conversions. How many people are coming to our site through our content? How many of those people are converting from visitors into paying customers? I think it's very important that by measuring the return on our investment, and then just lastly on optimization. Optimization helps us to identify areas for improvement. Analytics helps us to identify areas for improvement and optimize it for better performance. You don't actually have a reason not to measure how your content is performing. There are so many data measuring tools available. All you have to do is look for them. For example, Google Analytics is a powerful tool for measuring how your website is performing. Most of your social media platforms gives you some kind of information about how your content is performing. Your content management system usually has a built-in metrics measurement tool. And then if we are talking about email marketing, your email service provider will be able to give you all the information about your open rate, your click-through rate, your unsubscribe rate, your resubscribe or your new subscription, your bounce rate and your conversion rate. So you've got no excuse not to measure how your content is performing. Obviously, the greatest measure of success would be sales. How many people are coming to your site through your content? How many of them are converting? And how many of them are spending cash? Because that is the ultimate return on investment.